welcome back to another math tutorial. A conical water tank with its vertex down has a height of 20 cm and a radius of 10 cm at the top. Water leaks such that the water surface falls at a rate of 0.5 cm per second. Compute the rate of change of volume when h is equal to 8 cm. So dito, sa problem na to, involve ang shape ng cone. So, ang shape ng cone, ang height niya is 20 cm, tapos ang radius niya is 10 cm, tapos the vertex down, okay? And the water, kasi nag-leak ang water, bumababa siya ng bumababa until the height of 8 cm. Now, dito, given dito ang rate of change ng height. That means the dH over the dt. Rate of change is the change in value over the defined period of time. Ngayon, dito kasi, ang hinahanap dito is the rate of change of volume. That means dV over dt. The change in volume over time. Now, ang volume ng cone is equal to 1/3 pi r squared h. Yun ang formula ng volume ng cone. Ngayon, given ang rate of change ng height, which is dH over dt, 0.5 cm per second. Ngayon, hahanapin natin ang dV dt. Pero bago natin ma-solve yan, kailangan muna natin hanapin ang radius ng yung water. Ang radius nitong water, ito i-draw natin, i-sketch natin dito yung tubig. Ang radius, hanapin natin yan. So, paano natin mahanap yung radius nito ng water? Gagamitan natin ng ratio and proportion. Kasi, may given na dito ng height ng cone over the height of the water, tapos yung radius ng cone over the radius of the water, or vice versa. Pwede baliktarin. Radius over the height or height over the radius. Ngayon, substitute natin ang value. Height of the water over the 20 cm, the height of the cone is equal to the radius of the water over the radius of the cone. Therefore, the radius of the water is equal to the height of the water over 2. Ngayon, dito sa volume ng halimbawa, hanapin natin ang volume of water which is 1/3 pi r w squared hw. Substituting the value of the radius of the water will result to pi hw cube over 12, the height of the water. That means the rate of change, that means the dV W over dt is equal to 3 pi h squared over 12 dH dt. Kasi, ang formula ng derivatives is equal to d over dx times u raised to the power n is equal to n u raised to the power minus 1 du dx. So, ito yung nangyari dito. The rate of change of volume is equal to 3 pi r squared over h multiplied by the rate of change kung saan bumaba yung tubig. Ngayon, substituting the values of h, which is equal to 8 cm, tapos ang pi 3.14, tapos ang the rate of change is given of the rate of change of the height, which is 0.5 cm per second. Therefore, the rate of change of volume is equal to 25.13 cm cube over second. Another problem involves the cylindrical shape and the frustum of a cone. A water tank has a cylindrical shape with a diameter of 2 meter and a perpendicular height of 3 meter. Since it was already old and leaking, it is to be replaced by another tank of the same capacity, but in the form of a frustum of a cone. The diameters of the ends of the frustum are designed to be 1 meter and 2 meter respectively. What must be its height? Meaning, ang hinahanap natin dito is the height of the frustum of a cone. Ngayon, dahil sinasabi dito yung cylindrical tank dati, papalitan ng frustum of a cone na shape kasi luma na to, naglilik na yung tubig. Ngayon, ang cylindrical shape, meron siyang given na diameter. That means, ang diameter niya is 2 meter, so ang radius means 1 meter. Ang height niya is 3 meter. Ang frustum of a cone naman, meron siyang given na diameter which is 1 meter, so ang radius is 0.5 meter, yung sa maliit na end. Sa malaking end, 2 meter, that means 2 meter diameter, that means the radius is half of it, which is 1 meter. Ngayon, ang hinahanap natin is the height of the frustum of a cone. Now, paano naman natin yan ma-solve? Sinasabi dito na nung pinapalitan na yung tangke, pareho pa rin ang capacity nila. That means, ang volume ng cylindrical shape, pareho pa rin ng volume ng frustum of a cone. So, that means, masolve natin ang volume of a cylindrical shape dahil meron siyang given na radius at saka height. In mathematics, the volume of a cone is equal to pi r squared times the height. Therefore, to replace this the value of r and h, volume therefore of the cylindrical tank is equal to 3 times the pi. Now, we have to solve the frustum of a cone, the height. Here, it involves the formula of the frustum of a cone. Formula for a frustum of a cone is equal to 1/3 pi times the height multiplied by the big radius plus the product of the radius big one and the small one plus the radius of the smaller raised to the power 2. Now, as I've said, the big R is for the bigger end, the radius of the bigger end, and the small r is the radius of the smaller end of the frustum of a cone. Now, dahil pareho sila ng capacity ng pinapalitan na yung tangke, so ang volume nila ng cylinder at saka volume of frustum of a cone is the same. So, equate natin yan. Therefore, we can replace the volume of FC to volume of a cone, which is equal to 3 pi. Okay. Don't forget to put here 3 pi. So the volume of the frustum of a cone is equal to the volume of the cylinder, which is equal to 3 pi, is equal to 1/3 pi times the height of the frustum of a cone times the bigger radius plus the product of the small and the big plus the smaller raised to the power second power. Therefore, solving all this one will result to the height of the frustum is equal to 5.14 meter. Yun yung hinahanap natin. So, dalawang formulas ang involved dito. Volume of a cylinder and the volume of a frustum of a cone.